Hi guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. So today we're going to be designing a YouTube banner in Canva. So I'm going to show you all the full thing, how I do it. So I have some pictures already uploaded in Canva, these pink ones. To remove the background, if you have Canva Pro, you can do it one time in Canva, or you can use PICWISH. The link is in my description. It's a website where you can remove backgrounds from your photos. So we're gonna start designing. As you can see, there is 2 white lines, which is basically the restrictions for the banner, like when you upload it. So like the desktop size is the entire thing, whereas the white lines is for all devices. So let's start designing. So I had a vision in my mind in using the pics. So I just uploaded the photos to Canva. Here I am putting it in this left hand corner, and then I'm gonna duplicate it and put it on the right hand corner as well. Then I'm just gonna remove these 2 things from the middle here, and then I'm gonna change background to a color that is part of the pictures, the palette, and then I'm just gonna change the entire background page color to white, just to see where the outline is of the middle part of the banner. I chose 1 picture as the main picture and another picture as the background, to create a kind of effect. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm placing these basically in the background. So these are going to be in the background. So I'm going to use these, and I'm going to lessen down the transparency. So as you can see, we're lessening it down, and then we're just gonna duplicate this right across, just in the middle part. So we're just duplicating these straight across. This banner is fairly simple. If you want to create something along the lines of this design. So we placed all of our background photos. Now we're going to use the main photo, which is this photo I chose. So we're just going to put that picture in the middle of the middle part of the banner. Zooming in just to make sure it's lining up in between, it's not crossing over anywhere. We're basically going to be blurring out or blending in those cut elbows that you see in the picture, because you wanna have a clean finish. So we're going to type a blur in elements and click the yellow one and change it to the color of the background that we chose, and then we're going to smoothen it, and we're going to place it accordingly to blend it in with the background, so that you don't see like that cut part in the picture. So as you can see here, I'm moving it around to get the right position so that they can blend in with the background. So as you can see there, as I zoom in, you're still seeing it cut a little bit, so I'm moving it around and right there you see that there's no cut. It's blending in with the background. You can't, so this gives the banner a clean finish where it doesn't have any cuts. You know, it's smooth, everything is blended in perfectly. We're going to do the same thing with the other side. However, we're going to have to move one of the background pictures, because if we place the pink over here, you're going to see it over the picture, whereas you want it blended with the background. You don't want it placed on top of the picture, because then you're going to see pink placed on top there. You want it to blend with the background. So that's what we're going to do. Shift all the background pictures so that we can have at least piece of the background on that cut side. So we're just going to shift each one around. So now we're just duplicating and we're putting it on the next side. As you can see, the cutout part is a little closer to the background. It's not like the background is not directly behind where the cut is. So we can at least blend it in. Use the blur to blend it in and make that cut go away. So we're just shifting it around, get the right position, make sure you're not seeing the cut, but you're just seeing it blended into the background. Perfect, so that's perfect right there. So this is what we have so far. So now we're gonna add the main text. So what we're gonna do is duplicate the page and type in your name or whatever information it is that you want. So I chose DM Bubba Pop font. Make sure, well, we're gonna create an outline effect. So whatever you want the main color as, you choose it. So I chose white as the main color because I want my outline to be pink, and I change the background so that when I put it in PICWISH, it'll be able to remove the background. So I download this page only, and when I'm done downloading, I upload it to PICWISH, which we are going to now. And you just click. It's really easy. You just click upload image. You upload your image, and then it removes the background. So you go ahead and re-upload it into Canva. Click uploads, upload files. As you can see, I already have it in here, so I just open it up. I make sure to crop before I start to outline, because after when you outline the pic and then you try to edit it, it's a mess. So I crop it first. I click edit image, I click shadows, I click glow. Then you click those control things. You put blur strictly down to 0. And then put the transparency all the way up. It depends how thick you want it. You decide. Choose the colors you want. In this case, I chose the bright pink color that you can see the girl has on. The bright pink color, I chose that as the background. And then I choose the size, how thick I want it. Transparency is how bright you want it. So I did that and I click apply, and then I position my text in the middle. Then I want it behind the main photo, so I click position and it ended up behind here, the photo. As you can see, some of the blended or blur elements are over the text, so we're just gonna fix that because we don't want it to be looking like we want it to look blended. We don't want it to look like there's something on top there. So we're just gonna smalten it, move it around to make it more blended in and not really showing. All that's left now is basically to add socials if you wish. I added socials to this banner. You don't have to, you can simply leave your banner as is. But in this banner I chose socials. I did Instagram and Twitter. So you can label your socials. I put the name and the element, I try to get it in the middle so it looks even. So to get the Instagram element, I go in elements, I type up Instagram, I choose the transparent one, well, the one that has no filler, and I choose the bright pink color. So I zoom in, making sure to see how it lines up, everything is even. I do the same thing for Twitter. I choose the same color, the bright pink, and I place it on the other side. Now obviously this is just a random banner, but you put in your socials. If your Twitter name is different from your Instagram name, that's what you'll put. So I do the same on the side with Twitter, making sure to line up, making sure everything is lined up. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment down below what other videos you'd like to see. See you guys in the next video.